Hello YouTube and welcome to the Credit Boom channel. This is Angel and I come to you guys once a week to discuss everything related to credit education. It is my passion and goal to show and teach everyone how credit works. No schools, no universities have ever taught credit. So I'm taking that responsibility to share with you guys the struggles that I went through with my credit so you don't have to. Guys, please hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and that like button. This helps the channel grow and also helps me to reach out to a greater audience. So in today's video, we're going to teach you how to increase your credit score using personal loans. Have you ever always wondered why your credit score always maintained on the high 500s or low 600s, and you feel that you're always stuck there and you don't seem to go, you don't seem to get up, you're not going anywhere, you're just stuck in that range. You're paying your bills on time and you don't understand why your credit score is not moving up. Well, I can tell you why. It's your utilization. Your credit utilization is what's keeping you down. All of your credit cards are at the limit and you're stuck. You got to tell yourself what put you in this place in the first place. What put you in this situation in the first place? In this tip, I'm going to show you how to improve your credit score using personal loans are for these individuals or for those individuals with a disciplined mindset and a follow-through process. If you don't have a focus and discipline and follow-through mindset, guys, this tip is not for you. I'm telling you, you will be worse off than when you started. And I'm going to give you an example. If you use this tip, you have credit card debt, you get a personal loan, and you transfer all that debt to the personal loan, guess what happens? Your credit card now have zero balances. This is where this discipline and strong mindset come into play. People without this mindset tend to go back to their credit cards and use them again. Guess what happens now? Not only you have the personal loan debt that you just created, but now your credit card debt is back to the same place where you started from. And guys, that's definitely going to put you in a position that you don't want to be in. And you're going to put yourself in a worse position that you are now. So going back to this tip, you see guys, revolving accounts carry a big weight in your credit score. By removing them and transferring them to an installment account, which is the personal loan that we're discussing in this video, by doing that simple process will increase your credit score. Now I have 3 institutions that I recommend this year in 2021 for personal loans. Guys, these banks don't pay me anything. I make no commissions. I am just sharing this information to help all of you that are in this specific situation. One important tip that I like to mention. Guys, if you have too many inquiries, you have a collection, a charge-off, any negative information on your credit report, do not apply for a personal loan. You're either going to get denied, okay, or you're going to pay a lot more interest rate than what you're paying now on your credit cards that you currently have at the limit. So look at your credit report. Let's analyze this credit report and make sure you don't have any negative information, and let's make sure what we need to have prior to applying for these personal loans. I mean, do we need a trade line? Do we need to get rid of these inquiries? Do we have a derogatory information that we need to get rid of? Guys, we got to look at this and ascertain and make an education decision prior to applying for a personal loan. Now, the institutions I'm going to mention do not charge an origination fee. This is a common practice for most lenders that offer personal loans. But these 3 institutions do not charge that fee up front. That's one of the primary reasons why I recommend them. The first institution we're going to be talking about is called Marcus. Marcus are for those individuals with bad to fair credit. Marcus will loan you up from $3,500 up to $40,000. Interest rates vary up to 25%, all depending on your credit score. Do your research on them, guys. And again, Marcus tends to loan to those individuals with bad to fair credit. Now, from someone who has fair to good credit, I recommend TD Bank. TD Bank has no origination fees, good bank to work with, great customer service. This bank is based off Canada. But then again, they only accept from fair to good credit. Usually from 650 to 699 credit score. They will loan you from $2,000 up to $50,000 for a personal loan. Interest rates vary from 7% up to 25%. And last but not least, we have Lightstream. Lightstream is a lender backed by SunTrust Bank. It is the highest that I have found so far. Lightstream are for those individuals with excellent credit. Requirements for Lightstream is 750 or more. And their loans go up to $100,000. This is the highest I've ever seen in personal loans. So guys, those are my 3 recommendations for personal loans. These institutions is the ones that I recommend this year in 2021. I will leave links below on the 3 institutions that I've just mentioned. A quick recap, guys. Personal loans will get you in trouble if you don't change your mindset by disciplining yourself and having a follow-through process. Guys, personal loans will get you in trouble if you don't follow through for the reason you got the loan to begin with. In my personal experience, use these personal loans for these specific reasons: credit card debt consolidation, home improvement, and medical or emergencies. Guys, these would be the only reasons that I would use a personal loan for. Now, reasons not to get a personal loan for would be these, guys. Don't get a personal loan for vacation. Please, don't get a loan for any type of pay advancement, and don't get a personal loan to do Christmas shopping. Guys, this will get you in trouble. I hope this information has shown you any value or helped you in any way. Again, guys, my goal here is to teach and show everyone how credit works. Guys, if you have any questions or comments, please leave it below. If you need to contact me or have any questions, I will leave my email as well. My Expert Credit Edition course will be releasing very soon. I'm expecting another 30 days before it's ready to go. Guys, that platform is pretty much in a nutshell to show you guys how to take care of your own credit by looking at my educational videos. I teach you in detail what you got to do with your specific situation. And not only that, it would end up ultimately showing you guys how to teach others how to fix their credit, or maybe even consider starting your credit repair business. But that's coming soon, guys, and I'm excited about that, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. Guys, I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys. You know, you guys are what's making this channel grow. Help me spread the word on credit education. I can't wait to see you guys next week. Take care.